How to build your metal roof option for barrel saunas. Please ensure you have the following items. First, peel the film off of the top half of a strip of ice and water shield. Place the ice and water shield and align the bottom with the top of the perfectly vertical stave. Secure the ice and water shield with a line of staples across the top. Remove the film from the bottom half of the ice and water shield and secure with a line of staples across the bottom. Peel the film off of the top half of another strip of ice and water shield. Place it on the roof. Make sure to overlay it on top of the smooth portion of the previous strip. Remove the film from the bottom half of the ice and water shield and secure it with staples. Repeat the process on the other side. Fold the ice and water shield over the stave ends and secure with staples. Repeat on the back of the sauna. Now cut off the excess ice and water shield. Repeat on the front of the sauna. Place the first trim piece on the front of the sauna. Raise it a ½ inch above the staves and secure with 3 1½ inch screws. Place the next trim piece. Ensure it is flush with the first piece and secure with 2 1½ inch screws. Repeat with 2 more trim pieces. Repeat with 4 more trim pieces, starting on the opposite side of the bottom trim piece. Now, place the final trim piece and mark where it overlaps. Cut off the overlapping section. Place the final trim piece and secure with 2 1½ inch screws. Repeat the trim process on the back of the sauna. Now remove the metal roofing from the packaging. Grab 2 panels and place them across the center of the sauna. Overlap the last ridge on each panel and ensure they are centered on the sauna. Secure the center of the panels with 8 self-sealing roofing screws into the ridges. Place the next panel and ensure the bottom ridge of the previous panel overlaps the top ridge of the next panel. Secure with 10 self-sealing roofing screws into the top and bottom ridges. Repeat with the final panel on the other side of the sauna. Place a final screw in the center of the roof. Your assembly is now complete.